In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to recover deleted songs on Suno AI. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into Suno, go into the library section, and in here, you can see the list of songs that you have. So I'm just going to delete a sample one, for example, this one. I'm going to click here on the right side and click on Move to Trash. So now we have deleted or moved to trash a sample song. Now, to go into the trash, in order for us to recover that song, you want to click here on the trash icon while you are in the library on the top right corner. So you want to click on that, and then here we are. We are now in the trash, and we should see all the songs that we have put in here, which is this one, just we did earlier. So you can click here on this button if you would want to recover it. You can click on the trash button again if you'd want to delete it permanently. Since we would want to recover the deleted songs, we can now click here on this button. So as you can see, it says it has now been restored to your library, and then you should see that right here. However, if you click on the trash button, then there is now no way to recover that deleted song, only if it is still accessible in the trash. So that's it on how you can recover deleted songs on Suno AI.